Hey guys, John from the John Muir Show here, and while a lot of the focus, and rightfully so, has been on the U.S. Supreme Court this week and some of its very notable rulings, there was also a couple of notable ones coming from the Wisconsin Supreme Court yesterday. Now, one of those allows the state superintendent, also a Liberal candidate for governor, Tony Evers, to use his own attorney in a challenge to his constitutional powers. You see, it might sound like it would be, like emotionally reasonable to some folks out there. Yeah, the only problem is what Mr. Evers was arguing for, it's actually against the law on the books. And on the John Muir Show, we like to advocate for the law on the books. If you don't like it, change it, but while it's there, abide by it. So anyways, with this case revolving around Mr. Evers, he had said that he did not want the State Department of Justice to represent him, pretty much because he doesn't like the Attorney General Brad Schimmel and some other people that work in the office. Governor Walker was trying to say that, hey, look, no matter what, you need to as somebody who works as a state employee because that's what's on the books for state employees. So not surprising, especially at this time where Evers is one of the front runners to be the person who takes on Governor Walker for the governor's race this November, that the two of them would disagree, and it's really not surprising either that in a disagreement that Scott Walker would be on the legal side and Tony Evers would be on the illegal side. I have no idea whatsoever as to why the court ruled the way they did, but for some reason they did. Anyways, for Evers, well, even though he got the victory yesterday, the troubles, they're not quite over yet because this suit where he is going to get to pick, whatever lawyers he wants to defend him. The suit comes from some people who have been on our program before, the Wisconsin Institute for Law and Liberty. And they had filed suit stating that Mr. Evers has been violating state law. Shocker, like I said, he's violated state law multiple times here. He just was able to get away with it one time by writing school regulations without approval from Governor Walker and his administration, which is also, you guessed it, required by law. So it seems that Mr. Evers, even though he got a victory yesterday, he's got a big uphill climb ahead, and it should be a very telling sign to us. Again, this is one of the Democrats' frontrunners for who is going to be their nominee for governor of the state of Wisconsin. Somebody is so willingly, just time and time again, showing he does not care about the rules on the books, that he is willing to treat state constitutions like they're pieces of toilet paper. Do we really want this guy being the top guy in our state? I sure as hell know I don't, and I don't think a lot of you do either. So just keep that in mind when we go to the polls. It seems that a lot of these Dems who are running for governor, they want to do whatever it takes to get them in the best possible position, such as Mr. Evers. That is all the time that we have for today, but tune into the John Muir Show each and every weekday on WTAQ, WHBL, and WSAU. Until next time, I'm out.